Solenoid cleaning. Use pliers to remove the nut from the top of the solenoid assembly. Remove the solenoid valve coil off the stem. Remove the stem from the assembly by placing a cloth around the stem. Use pliers to loosen the stem from the solenoid body and unscrew. If the black rubber piece has an indentation or residue, remove the residue and rub the black plunger on a smooth surface to buff out any imperfections. Clean the interior of the solenoid valve body with a cotton swab or cloth. Remove any debris from any of the orifices. Reassemble the solenoid stem back into the solenoid body and hand tightened. Place the cloth on the stem and carefully tighten with pliers. Reinstall the solenoid coil onto the stem. Reinstall the nut and hand tightened. Snug with pliers.